Hey guys, TC Sport Cars here. Oh my god. And today, I am attending the, I don't know how you pronounce the name, Xavia, Brooke, whatever, and Luke Bourne meet. So, that's Xavia Brooke on Instagram and LBTV, links in the description. It's a pretty sick meet, but I think them two have bounced. And there's just a load of cars left, like this chrome purple Golf R. That's pretty special. That's pretty sick. But yeah, a load of people just sending it in the car park, realistically. We had a few decent cars, as you can probably tell by the thumbnail. The Trueno, or the Trueno, whatever you called it, twin cam was fucking mental. But yeah, this is a good video. Watch right till the end as always. But I did have my video camera, but I stupidly forgot to charge the battery. So yeah, that's the first footage you're going to see with that video camera, as I lost my other one stupidly. But oh well. But yeah, sound. Thank you very much for watching the video that's about to come, and I'll see you in the outro. We're about to go look at car parks that have got other people sending it. So yeah, sound. Oh shit! Where did he come from? Honey stole it. I'm sure the Mazda do. Oh! Started out, nice. Nice. Oh shit! That was close, that was very close. Right, let's go over here, because this looks like a good place to be right now. Hopefully try and not get hit by this Corsa. Where is he going? Oh, he's going over there. Cool. Right, everyone's going over here, so I think I'm going to join them in doing so. Oh, hello, BMW. I'm going over it. Ooh, Fiesta. Oh shit. Whoa. Look, a snowball conveniently placed. Oh, the bimmer. Shit. Alright then. Oh, instantly loses traction. Oh shit. Oh shit.